Congratulations, sir. Shit, ang laki tayo na tusok ka.
Hindi ako papatalo sa'yo.
Fencing ha, mamaya na.
Hindi ako papatalo sa'yo.
Sige.
Happy birthday.
Bagay ngayon tayo, malaki.
Ay, picture, oh.
Video.
Video yan?
Picture pala yun?
So, sir, saan nag-work si sir?
Yeah, pag YouTube yan.
Ano ba talaga gumalaw? Requirements ba yan? So, saan ka nagtatrabaho, sir? Saan ka?
Gusto ko. Galaw.
Mga earrings ko na. Gumalaw ko pa. Sayang ang camera bakla.
My God.
Sayang ang
Usap po tayo ng konti.
usap ka.
Okay.
Okay, kailangan ba gumalaw ba?
Use caster.
Actually, bukas.
Ano kasama natin si ano, no?
International na kayo lahat.
International? Bakit kayo ba rin, ano ba yung
Kasi
cable?
nasa web yan sila lahat eh.
Saan?
Sa web.
YouTube.
Oh,
Wow.
nananawagan ako sa mga kalalakihan na sa mga lugar. Ako pa nagbibigay ng scholarship.
Yes.
Alam mo kung ganito ang itsura.
Oh my God!
Oh! Superman, ikaw ba yan?
What's that?
What's
It's a
that?
plane.
Hey, punta kayo sa ideacampdavao.com.
Wow! ideacampdavao.com.
Kasi tanggalin mo na dito sa bus.
Baka nandiyan ang internet tayo.
Ayan yung signal. Feedback ito, tingnan mo. O, di ba nag-feedback?
Nako, gusto ko lang batiin lahat ng mga kapamilya ko dyan sa saan ba yun?
Nasa TV tayo, di ba?
YouTube.
Hoy, naku, lalaki ako, mama.
Pag nalaman to ng nanay ko, kasi papatay na ko.
Treat lang to.
Ali, sex tayo!
Richard, hilang ko.
Ay! Ay, wag ka mag-aalit ako, may nakalaan para sa'yo.
Ano ba, ha?
I would like to greet our PLC subscribers.
Sir, ma'am, on ba talaga yun, ma'am? Nakalobot ka na. Nasaya yung power namin.
Yes,
Okay.
whatever.
Grabe, naka-video pala tayo.
Kasi pag YouTube kasi, meron din outside sa Philippines. Buri-buri, super-buri sa po.
Oh! Shit lang yan.
Batiin mo, Mexico.
Mexico? Por favor,
Mamakala to.
May HN1N1 na yan! Ay, naku, bebang sa atin na. I would like to thank our sponsor for tonight. Sir,
Thank you.
okay lang ba? Oh. Have a taste. Have a Metromix. Thank you.
Nasa YouTube yan dahil.
Baka isipin mo, pakain tayo. I-promote yan, sir.
Promote po, sir.
Do the promoting.
Do the promote it. This is favorite English. It's so delicious.
Let's promote.
And then, Idea Camp Davao is a conference for people who want to make a difference in Davao City.
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah.
Okay.
So what
You get to
You
talk
guys
10
should
minutes, whatever you're passionate about, talk about it here in Idea Camp Davao.
Can we talk about sex?
Pwede, if you're passionate about it.
Wow!
So can we have it alive?
The sex.
Of course. And can we do it right now?
Just live on the video.
Okay, edited naman. Okay lang.
Ha? I-edit pa to? Huwag nang i-edit.
Okay.
Huwag nang i-edit to.
Huwag i-edit ito na ko, Sir Art. Ha? Kakasuhan natin sila.
Ako, gusto ko lang batiin ang aking anak na si Manny. Manny! Thank you very much! At gusto ko lang pasalamatan ng aking
Sino?
ang aking sponsor sa aking makeup, ang Ibon.
Ibon? Oh,
Ibon na Malaya Lumepad.
Kaya ba yan? Siyempre.
Okay.
Sir, anong position mo dyan, sir, sa campsite na yan? Char lang. Bakit ba tinawag web, hindi naman yan ano ng gagamba.
Good question.
Why?
Why web?
Paki-google na lang.
Ha?
Google na.
Naku, parang Google. Sir, huwag ka naman ganyan.
Wala sa
sir.
mukha yung pang mamamatay tao.
Gusto mo ba bulbulin din? Ito na lang bulbulin mo.
Marami akong gulgul. No thanks.
What is your position there, sir?
We're two of the founders.
Founders!
So-
Paano niyo po yun ang found? Paano yun ang found?
Research, tapos found.
Wow!
So if ever kami maglalakir,
Paano ba?
www.ideacampdavao.com. So, wala pa rin intindihan doon. So, yes.
So if you would like to speak in that,
Yeah, true. Yung conference na yun, it's for people with ideas.
so whoever's the audience would like to.
If you're passionate about performing like this, fine, talk about it. If you're
Yeah.
passionate about farming, vermiculture, talk about it. If you're passionate about drinking and what it does to you,
Yeah,
talk about
true.
it.
How about if your passion is calling?
Kaya nga, you have to talk. Para siyang black.
Oh my God! So maybe that could be whatever.
Bakit ba nag-English ka? Ang hirap naman.
Wait, I have to try my English because I'm a master's student.
Yeah, you're a master. You have to try your best because this is English person.
Yeah. Englishman with an English person. So for everybody that here at Metro Mix tonight, I would like to promote this
Superman.
web, the www.ideacampdavao.com. You can oh shit.
Muntik na yun!
Oh my God.
Hindi mo pa nakuha!
Oh my God, I have to try it twice.
You have to do it once again.
Yes.
Pinaka-highest level na to ha. Take a deep breath. Go! Tutulog ka na.
Kasali pa sila sa video.
Oy, naku, binibidyo. Mag-say hi ka sa akin. Ayan na.
Nagkakit kayo dyan, guys. Maganda kasi YouTube, guys.
Ako ka na i-edit mo, mga unfair, ma.
And for everybody that mabalik ang daba.
Siyempre naku ha, puntahan natin itong ano na to.
Yes.
Parang maganda siya, www.ideacampdavao.com. Naku, spell out lang natin para makuha talaga if ever sinong interesado. www.ideacampdavao.com. Ayan.
But they
That
can,
is
Pangit mo ka.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir, Mark, and thank you so much, sir, Mark.
Sir, thank you so much. Tol, ha? Kita tayo sa office mamaya po. We're going to drink a coffee.